Well, I've been styled by Anaita Shroff, as always.
And what are you looking forward to?
I think I'm looking forward to all the performances. I think it's very rare that one gets to actually just sit in the audience and watch a performance. Most often you're stressed about going up on stage and performing. I'm performing too, but somehow I feel like maybe after the slam tour I'm a lot more confident on stage now and enjoy myself a lot more on stage. I was very nervous about performing earlier.
What are your New Year plans?
Huh?
New Year plans?
My New Year plans are to spend with my family. We haven't decided where, but definitely with my family.
Okay, that's really opposite that you come to choose one from that. That was what happened in 2015. Salman getting married, Ranveer getting married, and Sri Khan doing a movie together.
I'd say the three Khans doing a film together. I don't know.
And would you be, and who's leading lady who would love to be if you are offered the movie with them?
All three, no. Three guys, and there has to be only one girl.
Deepika, a lot of smaller films, for example, Finding Fanny Fernandez, did really well. You know, there's so many films doing really well in the festival circuit. As opposed to a lot of movies with the stars, we don't have cracked it really big in the box office lately. There's a dichotomy there. What do you have to say?
There's no dichotomy to these things because there's no formula. I think you have to go with your instinct. I think you have to go with what you think is right. Sometimes it'll work, sometimes it won't work. But I think at the end of the day, you have to choose films from with your own instinct, what you think is right, and most importantly, enjoy the process of making a movie. You know, I think that for me, that's the most important thing.
Deepika, 2014 has been a momentous year for you in terms of your professional life and personal life, if I can say so. But how is 2015 going to be on that regard?
I hope even better. I think the one thing that I always that I have been wishing for myself and for a lot of people around me is happiness and peace of mind. I think we live in a very competitive world, and I think because of not just in the film industry, but life has become like that. We've become so fast-paced and everything's become so competitive. I think it's very important for us to just sit back and enjoy every moment of our lives. And I think I sort of wish that. I know it sounds a bit philosophical, but that's what I wish for everyone.
Deepika, lastly, how is it working with Ranveer in Bajirao this time? How is it working with Ranveer in Bajirao?
Where do you come from? Oh, where's here? Oh God, okay, I'm going.
New Year wishes.
Wishing all